Hey gang, Derek from T3 here. I just want to come at you with this little market update because we've been in this really unique market environment that I've been chatting with the team about for a while now. So, are we in a bull market or are we in a bear market? I guess it depends on where you look. So the technical definition of a bear market is a market that is down 20% or more, and they usually measure that on a closing basis. The definition of a market correction is a market that has gone down by 10% or more. Where are we in this market? Well, the S&P on the year on a closing basis, as I'm having this conversation with you guys on November 23rd, is down like 0.5%. The NASDAQ made a high a couple days ago, pulling back a little bit, down 2%. The IWM, it's down 5%. But now here's some numbers and here's some statistics that are really kind of mind-blowing. And this is why I've been saying the real high of the market was back in last February. I do not think that the market as a whole is in a bubble, but I did think that some of these stocks, Palantir at 44, Plug at 75, were in kind of their own little mini speculative bubbles. There is a huge list of stocks, and I've got in my hand here a non-exhaustive list of some names I just kind of went through on a percentage basis, and almost all of them made their high for the year in February. And if not February, it was either January or March. The only two exceptions to that on this list of stocks, and I kind of chose this a little bit randomly of names I know are really beaten up, are Roku, which made its high in July, and Robinhood, which made its high in August, but it wasn't even a stock in January, February, March when all the other ones made their highs, or I'm sure that it would have made its high back then as well. So we all know that we really had a major speculative bubble back in February. I was even saying it in real time. This is a bubble, these stocks don't belong there. But even with that bubble getting pricked, percentage that these things are down on the year, the percentage that these things are down even from their highs this month, the month of November, which isn't even done yet, are kind of insane. Just to go through some here, we got PayPal down 19% on the month, 39% on the year. Snap down 8% on the month, it's probably the best one on the list, down 39% of the year. Twitter, 15% on the month, 39% of the year. Fubo down 40% on the month. That one did have earnings this month. 62% of the year. DKNG, Draftkings down 29% on the month. Remember, a bear market is the market being down more than 20%. Almost all these stocks I'm about to list are a bear market for the month. And then when you go into the year, they're in downright depressions. Draftkings down 52% on the year. Penn Gaming, 31% on the month, 62% on the year. Zillow, 44% on the month, 73% on the year. Peloton, 54% on the month, 74% on the year. Roku, the only one on the list here that really didn't make its high at the beginning of the year, is down 29% on the month and 52% from its year high. I mean, some of these numbers are insane. Just to point out some other highlights instead of going through everything, you got Teladoc down 32% on the month, 65% on the year. There's Beyond Meat, 60% on the year. That's up there, right? Stitch Fix, 74% on the year. Tilray, I think, is this Tilray number one on the list off of its high that made in February? 83% on the year, number one on the list on pulling back for the year. I was the first person saying it back in January, February this year. These markets were in bubbles and it was really being led by a lot of these stocks. But they are down so much at this point. It's literally like Great Depression numbers that we're looking at. So what happens from here? Because like I said, the indices, they were at all-time highs like a day or two ago, depending on which index that you're looking at. So is the real market correction, is the bear market behind us? And we should be looking for dip buying activity in some of these stocks that are down 50, 60, 70, 80%? Or are we just at the tip of the iceberg right now, the S&P being down like not even a percentage point on a full closing basis yet, where this market can really crater, led by these stocks, and we're nowhere near a bottom for this stuff. Only time will tell. We'll keep watching our market technicals. We'll keep watching degrees of extension on some of these stocks and on the market itself, and take it day by day. So there's your market update. Are we in a bull market or are we in a bear market? You tell me. I'll see everybody out there. if you like what you learned, you should definitely check out the Pro Desk virtual trading floor that I'm running. There's some links in the description there where you can learn about how you can get involved. And there's also a link to my free ebook where you can learn about becoming a professional trader at T3 Trading Group like I am. See you everybody next time.